did he say? Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Here's my fire buttons right here. Keeping my hand on it. Here we go.
Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that train. Gunners,
Coming for those TIE fighters.
Let's pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Whoa!
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's pretty
I'm shooting!
I think I will let you tell the rookie. One ship. Oh, that. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. Boost. Boost.
Whoa!
I don't believe it, but we made it!
Yeah!
Let's get up!
Whoa!
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the Resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
All right. A little bit better.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ravdal loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? With tentacles. I hate tentacles. How many tentacles? Well, I'm not opening these doors until you get rid of it. It could be dangerous for the cargo. Well, and for the crew, of course. Primarily the crew, but the cargo. Oh, you got it? Well, can we sell it? No? Anyway, time to disembark, my friends. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available text. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
Thank you. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Run.
Better fix all that before the Wookiees see fit.
Go.